చూస్తే హైదరాబాద్ లో ప్రపంచ ఐటీ కాంగ్రెస్ సదస్సు జరుగుతోంది. దేశంలో తొలిసారి జరుగుతున్న ఐటీ కాంగ్రెస్ లో 30 దేశాల నుంచి 2000కు పైగా ప్రతినిధులు హాజరు కానున్నారు. ఈ ఐటీ కాంగ్రెస్ సదస్సులో మంత్రి కేటీఆర్ పాల్గొన్నారు. టీ ఫైబర్ పనితీరును మంత్రి వివరించారు. రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఐటీకి ప్రాధాన్యతనిస్తోందని తెలిపారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Skills platform, future skills, which NASSCOM and the industry have created and which the government is supporting, aimed at initially skilling 2 million employees and 2 million youth, something that you have been emphasizing. You are the driver and the leader of digital revolution in India, and it's my honor to request you to kindly launch the skills platform.
स्किल मैन पावर का एक बहुत बड़ा मार्केट पड़ा हुआ है। ऐसे मार्केट को टैप करने की ताकत जिसके पास मैक्सिमम यूथ है उसके पास है।
Thank you very much, sir, for launching this platform. May I now request you to kindly inaugurate the World Congress on IT and deliver the inaugural address. Sir.
Thank you. Union Minister of IT, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Chief Minister, Government of Telangana, Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Chairman NASSCOM, Secretary General BITSA, other distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to inaugurate the World Congress on Information Technology. This event is being held in India for the first time. It has been organized in partnership with NASSCOM, BITSA and the government of Telangana. I am sure it shall be of a mutual benefit to investors, innovators, think tanks, and other stakeholders from across the world. I would have liked to be there in person. I'm happy, however, that the power of IT enables me to address you remotely. To all the delegates joining us from abroad, welcome to India. Welcome to Hyderabad. On the sidelines of this conference, I hope you shall have some time to explore the vibrant history and delectable cuisine of Hyderabad. I'm sure it shall encourage you to visit other parts of India as well.
Indeed, India is home to ancient, rich and diverse cultures through which runs an underlying theme of unity. Ladies and gentlemen, the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is the family, is deeply imbibed in Indian philosophy. It reflects our inclusive traditions. In the 21st century, technology is becoming an enabler for this concept. It helps us create a seamless, integrated world. A world where geographic distance no longer remains a barrier in collaborating for a better future. Today, India is the hotspot of digital innovation across all the sectors. We not only have a growing number of innovative entrepreneurs, but also a growing market for tech innovation. We were and we remain one of the most tech-friendly population in the world. With over 1 lakh villages linked with optical fiber, 131 crore mobile phones, 120 crore Aadhaar, and 50 crore internet users, India is best placed to leverage the power of technology and leapfrog into the future. While ensuring empowerment of every citizen, Digital India is a journey bringing about digital inclusion for digital empowerment aided by digital infrastructure for digital delivery of services. Leveraging technology in such a holistic manner was unthinkable some years ago. We have successfully completed this life cycle in last 1.5 years. This has been possible through a change in public behavior and processes. Digital India had not remained merely a government initiative, but has become a way of life. Technology has transcended PowerPoint presentations and has become an inseparable part of people's life. While most government initiatives depend on a government push, Digital India is succeeding because of the people's pull. The Jam Trinity of combining 320 million Jan Dhan bank accounts of poor with Aadhaar and mobile.
Technology has a great potential to impact lives once it is taken to the deeper roots of the society. In fact, our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, never fails to remind us that technology which does not have social impact, technology which does not help the vulnerable, technology that does not come to the rescue of the common man is futile. Therefore, all of our initiatives in our state are centered around this theme. One of the ways in which we are driving penetration of IT services in the state is through our flagship program called as T-Fiber. You may be aware of the Digital India campaign, through which the Government of India is bringing more and more citizens online and empowering them to use digital services. We can think of this as India's campaign to bring the next billion users online. T-Fiber is Telangana's effort to move in this direction very swiftly. Through this program, we aim to provide each and every household in Telangana, the 10 million homes in Telangana, with an optical fiber cable endpoint, and use this state-of-the-art infrastructure to deliver government to citizen and government to government services very effectively.
Since I handle electronics also, just one figure will give you how India is changing. When we had come to power, there were only 2 mobile manufacturing factories in India. Now we have got 118 mobile manufacturing factories in India. We are making mobile phone in big number. All the international brands are here. Make in India for India are also export outside in the neighboring countries, in the Middle East, in the ASEAN countries. That's how we are promoting our whole case. But most important, digital inclusion, for which right of access is important. Therefore, without going into the nitty-gritty of net neutrality, we have taken a clear, categorical position that right of access is not negotiable. That's how we are seeking to change the entire country. With this digital profile, new technology is coming, from artificial intelligence to blockchain to IoT to a whole range of other platforms. And we want to tap all. I'm very happy in this interaction. Artificial intelligence is occupying a very key space, and I wish to congratulate NASSCOM for coming with a very good platform of reskilling of young people, in which my department in the IT ministry is going to give a lot of support and assistance.